Hi, I'm Silas. I'm standing here at IUP's Academy of the Culinary Arts in beautiful Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. I'm excited to give you a tour of the campus today. Let's start off at the Living and Learning Center at the IUP Punxsutawney campus. If you choose to live on campus during your time at the Culinary Academy, you will live here. Some of your classes will also take place in this building as well. The residence hall features 4-person suites with your own bedroom, 2 bathrooms, a living room, and a full kitchen. The Living Center also has a fitness center, a common area, a game room, and a lot of outdoor space for playing basketball or just soaking up sun with friends. The culinary and baking spaces are approximately 1 mile from the Living and Learning Center. Some students walk, some students bike, and some take the bus. There's no cost to bring a car here, but there's limited parking spots sometimes, so it's definitely best to carpool. I gotta get to class now, so I'm gonna pass you off to Chef Pike, who's across the street over at the Fairman Center.
Hello and welcome to the Fairman Center. This is the home of our baking and pastry track. Students in the baking program will learn techniques from beginning to advanced, pastillage, sugar sculptures, bread baking, and even as simple as brownies and cupcakes. Now we're going to head over to the culinary program to see what the culinary students are up to.
So this is the Academy of Culinary Arts building here at IUP's campus. The kitchen behind me is currently being used in summertime for our seafood, fish, and shellfish class. In the fall, we actually teach soup, stocks, and sauces in here. And in the spring, this kitchen is used for beef and veal. We also have a bake shop here at the Academy where the culinary arts students take 2 baking classes. In the fall, we have introduction to baking, and then in the spring, we have intermediate baking. In the summertime, they actually work on the other side of the building over here is where we have our dining room.
We run a full-service restaurant operation here, Monday through Friday. With positions in the kitchen and the front of the house, we get experience learning all the different spots that you will be working in a restaurant, club, or hotel environment. Did we mention that we have 100% placement with our externships here as well? A lot of our alumni have connections all across the country, from east to west coast, north to south, and they oftentimes seek IUP alumni for these paid positions. Most of our externships also result in a full-time position afterwards as well. Thank you for joining us on this tour today. If you'd like to learn more, please come visit. The chefs would love to meet you.